My name's John Nelson. It's my son Joel. We own Coaster Construction down on the Oregon coast in Cannon Beach. I've been doing this a long time. I thought, nah, we don't need to be learning anymore, but it's been really eye-opening to me. We can learn a lot, how we can take care of our employees, how we can be more profitable, which I think for Joel and I is a huge moving factor for us, is we really want to take care of our guys.
Making sure that they have retirement and they have all their benefits and they can go enjoy life and have a good quality of life with a good job that they enjoy.
We just don't want our employees to live paycheck from paycheck. What we do is a very rewarding trade. I don't see the guys getting into the trades as much, and that's something that very concerns me. But what we want to try to do is show that, hey, you can have a good quality life. You can afford a home. You can afford to go on vacations. You can have a future in it. But unfortunately, I just feel like that is something the construction in our area has struggled with. Honestly, I've had a great life. I've loved construction. I love what I've done. As you come into retirement, I want to financially be stable so I can enjoy the next 20 years.
I think the fear of the PSA is like, oh my gosh, it's going to scare everybody away. But we haven't really had any pushback on it. And it really helps kind of seeing who is really that serious and who's not. And helping us project out our schedules with like, hey, how busy are you? Well, we've talked to like 10 people and we're waiting for plans, but we don't really know. Well, now we know, like, hey, these people have put some money down, like they're serious.
To have somebody that you can say, hey, I'm dealing with something here, I don't quite know how to do it. The team is amazing with that. Like I said earlier, I've been just amazed at the knowledge of the team. I thought, oh, I've been doing construction for 40 years. I'm learning stuff like, especially in estimating, it's like, oh, boy, I wish I'd known that for the last 40 years, because it would make things easier, and it would have made mistakes that I would have made. If I would have been following these procedures, I wouldn't have had those mistakes. So I think as an investment, if they're thinking, oh, that's a big chunk of money to write out every month, I think in the long run, you're going to be making money, you're going to be saving money, because you're not going to have those issues that you're dealing with now.
Right, because getting on the PSA and doing things that you hadn't done before, that's going to help you start increasing, your cash flow. But also, the amount of time that you save learning all these streamlined processes is time you can put towards somewhere else. You're forking some money out to learn this stuff, but once you're putting it into action, you're saving money.